Step right up to the sequence of trapping! Hello, Vault Hunter, and thank you for answering Hyperion's summons. Unfortunately, the Helios space station is currently under attack by insane Dawn military forces. Please take this Echo device. Now follow me! I can take you to your contractor liaison! Neat rocket! Randy could have used some work, but A for effort. Sorry about the mess. Things got really hairy once the Lost Legion attacked. We gotta get to Jack!
Evacuate. Evacuate. Helios is under attack.
Jack's waiting for us! Over here! Let me open this door! Open for me, oh door! Jack's just around the corner. Let's go! The Lost Legion are really making a mess of this place.
Vault Hunter sighted! Wipe them out!
Save me! Save me!
Runs there.
Right is on our side!
I'll be gentle! Again.
Your nearest escape.
Save me! We have to get to the moonshot supply control room and get to Jack! He loves me! The Lost Legion must have killed this one. People think robots can't feel pain, but we actually feel it in slow motion, with great intensity. This robot died in horrific agony.
Did that cloud trap die?
God, Legion's
That's
dead!
awesome! Hey, you the Vault Hunters I hired?
Experimental prototype FR4 GTP, reporting for duty.
World's worst error.
Help! Lots of help! I got no idea who these asshole troops are or why they got a murder on for this space station, but they got me pinned!
Forward! Pick him out! Right!
Attention, Hyperion. Your Helios space station now belongs to the Lost Legion. Surrender before it is too late.
Unarmed life forces pressing
For the Legion!
help me up?
You're not gonna die. You're okay.
Or, you want to wait? You're busy? That's cool. I'll just bleed over here internally for a while. Here it's... Holy crap! You saved my life. Thank you. Sorry. Heart's pounding. Never been shot at before.